You know that you and only you will improve your language's skills. So, let's begin now. There are 4 aspects to increasing your fluency: grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. Of course, you will feel different impacts from them depending on the type of person you are. Visit our website to have a more specific approach. You know that later is better than never, so act now and start doing a difference in your life. Imagine your speaking skills opening the track for you to pursue your dreams and build a better lifestyle. Present simple versus present continuous. The present simple is used for regular actions or events. He plays tennis most weekends. Facts. The sun rises in the east. Facts which are known about the future. We leave at 8:30 next Monday. Thoughts and feelings about the time of speaking. I don't feel very well. The time of speaking. Now, shush. I'm trying to hear what they are saying. Things which are true at the moment but not always. We're looking for a new flat. Present plans for the future. We're having dinner with them next week.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
So you see that we use present simple when the action is permanent or it happens repeatedly. On the other hand, we use present continuous when the action happens in a period of time, so it happens temporarily. It may repeat, but it not be the same action. Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Now, let's see some pronunciation. To pronounce beautiful sounds, you have to pay attention to vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth and nose and consonants posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to faint the sounds. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times you feel comfortable. Look at these examples. I don't usually have cereals for breakfast, but I'm having some this morning because there is nothing else. I often cycle to work, but I'm taking the car this morning because it's raining very hard. I'm thinking about having my hair cut short, but I don't think my husband will be very happy about it. My parents live in Washington, but I'm just visiting. Note how, in all these examples, we use the present continuous to talk about events which are temporary or limited in time, and the present simple to talk about events which are habits or permanent. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.